Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Okay, so today I want to show you another nice Psalm 36. I'll also be in the key of F again. Alright, so this time around, today we'll do this song, For You Are Great. Right, so we'll do that song. Right. Okay, so let me show you the chords. First, play the chords first, then I'll try and explain them after that. All right, so I don't like this. Okay, so right. So let me just show you the chords. Okay, so before then, I'd like to also ask that have you seen gotten my my intermediate piano course? The syllabus is showing on the screen. Yeah, it's just 4,000 for people in Nigeria and then $12 for people abroad. Alright, so and you'll be learning a lot of stuff there. All those stuff you see on the syllabus are taught there. It's a pre-recorded video course. So I implore everyone to get it. If you want to get it, just check the comment section. The details is there. Chat me on WhatsApp to get it as a process. Or you can buy it on my seller store also. That's on the about of the page. So you can buy it on about of this channel. You can about page of this channel. You can you will see my seller link there. You can get it from there or buy it directly from me. Alright. So thank you. Alright, so let's go. So we're in the key of F. So for you are great. So follow the melody line on the right hand. So we do right while we input those chords we want to do on the we'll follow the melody on the right hand, then you input your chord on the left hand. So something like this. For you are great. So you do. So this is, we actually wanted to play a E augmented chord. That's a 7 augmented chord in the key of for the key of F now. That's E augmented, right? So that's it. So we'll do that on the left hand, which is your 7, your minor third, and then your 5. Then you make sure you hit your melody line on the right hand. So you see go so for you are great. So you do right. Then so when you get to 3 also, what we'll do on 3 also is that we'll play a major 3 on the left hand. Then on the right hand we'll do a delay kind of to our melody line. So you just do in this case you do a semitone to your to your melody line. So my melody line is the 7, but I'll do it to hit. So we have a for you are great, you do. So in this case I'm holding major 3 on the left, then on the right I have your 2, 4, flattened 7th, then I will go to the 7 to make up for your 2 diminished 7th chord. So we have then so you do 2, then so D and G are going down first, then you go from D to E while still holding the G, then you resolve to D and F. So 3 process, 1, 2, 3. Now becomes something like that. So like doing the slow motion into it. So from the top, for you are great. Yeah. Then so you do that for your 2, instead of doing your 2 chord, I've always given you different 2 chord. Right? So I've always given you 2 chords. Instead of doing that, you can just do this gospel melodic movement. I have a course also on gospel melodic movement. In all the keys you can buy also. Just chat me up on WhatsApp. For my different piano courses, I have a lot of piano courses you don't even see on this space. Alright, so we have I have for finger exercise also a lot of stuff. So so you do your 1, 6, then 3, 4, flat 4. Yeah. Then so you do your 5 minor, your 1, then so together we have something like this. So don't forget to click subscribe button and don't forget to get my intermediate piano course. It is for everybody. God bless you. Bye.